These are beautiful carrots. We are going to peel them and dice them. So we are going to make murabba in a big patili. Add water and heat it. Then add the chopped carrots in it and make murabba. I wash them. I'm going to peel them with the peeler, and then we are going to make murabba out of it. Here we have kept half a patili of water. Let it boil, and then we are going to dip the we have chopped the carrots, roughly 2.5 kg, and this is the water. It is boiled. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add sugar in it. This is 1 big spoon, and this is second tablespoon. I'm going to add roughly 3 tablespoons of sugar. So here I've added 3 tablespoons of sugar in adding the carrots. So now we are going to boil the carrots. We are also going to add for flavor elaichi powder in it. Here we have taken 5 cardamom. We are going to grind it. So here this is grinded cardamom. I'm adding for flavor in it. Let it boil. Get 2-3 boils, and then once you know that syrup consistency has come, then we know it's done. The carrots will get tender, and I'll show you how to have it. Keep on stirring it. So this carrots are good for eyes, although the sugar is not, but then our taste buds are such. So it is very yummy. And let it boil. See, the water is only water consistency. Slowly it will change to syrup consistency. In the meanwhile, the carrots will also get boiled. So how do we have this murabba? Actually, we usually have it with everyday Nestle Everyday Daily Whitener, Dairy Whitener. This is Dairy Whitener. This is the milk powder that we usually take, and we keep it, and with 2-3 teaspoons of milk powder, and then we have the carrots. I'll show you once it's done. This is 400 grams and it cost 210 rupees, this packet. This was roughly 2 cups, big cups water, 2.5 cup. So after boiling it, some of it evaporated also. So accordingly you can add in 2.5 kg carrots. Accordingly you can add this thing. So we have diced the carrots very minute. So, and please where it is yellow portion of the carrot you can take out. Otherwise if it is not that prominent, you can keep the circles of the carrots, but in some places I have taken out the edges, the inner circle of the carrots, because it is bitter. Otherwise the ones that was all red, I kept the full slices, small slices only, so they can come in spoon. Keep on boiling. We will require good 10 to 15 minutes to boil it. So here I have taken out the milk powder in an airtight container jar. So you can keep it in the airtight container jar and have it when you want. So here good boil is coming. So keep on stirring it till the carrots become tender and the sugar flavor is infused in it. So here this syrup is getting made. We will add the zest of lemon in it to make the syrup tasty. So here this is the lemon zest that I have taken out. I am going to add this lime zest in this so that the flavor of the syrup is enhanced. Our syrup is almost done, so I am going to plate it and show you. We'll take some of it. That's about it. 1 for 3. That's it. Wow. And now here I'm going to take a fresh spoon, dry spoon. This is a tasty gajar murabba made at home. I've added the milk powder and it is so yummy. Just see. so gooey it is. We've added ways to have is, don't take the syrup, only take the carrots and then add the daily whitener powder of Nestle. So this is what I like to have, like this. So now what will happen, all our carrots will be soaked in this milk powder, dry milk powder. So before I showed you it was all syrup. I don't like it that way, so we will just have it like this. So this is yummy, and I hope that you too take one big chunk of carrots, all dipped in carrots. I mean all dipped in milk powder. So carrots like this are awesome pieces. Now no syrup will form, like no liquid is there. So this is what I like, the best way to have it. So the remaining syrup, if only syrup is remaining, then you can add more gajar later on stage, but here this is how I like to have only carrots and the milk powder, and this is really yummy. So just to show you, I kept this like this. So I'm going to add the milk powder to the whole of it. So do enjoy your carrot murabba with only dry carrots and dry milk powder.